Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today in our maths lesson, we are going to talk about odd and even numbers. So for our first activity, this is the story of Mr. Odd and Mrs. Even. They have lands next to each other. Mr. Odd likes everything to be in odd numbers, but Mrs. Even likes everything to be in even numbers. This is Mr. Odd and this is Mrs. Even. One day, there was a terrible earthquake and two lands were mixed up. Can you help Mr. Odd and Mrs. Even find their things? Here are the things. One dog, three turtles, nine Vikings, seven snails, two rabbits, eight cats, six bats, four boys, five hammers, and 10 flowers. I want you all to find which one belongs to Mr. Odd and which one belongs to Mrs. Even. Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up. Here are the answers. In Mr. Odd's world, there lived one dog, three turtles, five hammers, seven snails, and nine Vikings. Why is that so? Because all of these numbers are all odds. Remember, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And these are for Mrs. Evans' land. There lived two rabbits, four little boys, six bats, eight cats, and 10 flowers. Remember, even numbers are the numbers that are multiple of 2. They are 2, 4, 6, and 8. Also, all the numbers that ends with 0. So for today's learning objective, we are going to identify the odd and even numbers. What are the odd numbers? Odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Examples: 27, 261, 9, 59, 21, 13, 7, 65, and 487. Can you think of your own example of odd numbers? Here are the even numbers. Numbers that ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Examples: 78, 50, 6, 132, 94, 8, 12, and 304. Now, can you think of your own examples of an even numbers? One day, the six bats went out to find friends. Each one got one friend. So how many bats are there now? Who are they going to live with? Is it with Mrs. Even or Mr. Odd? Now let's count all the bats. So there are six bats already that lived in the lands. So they met another six friends. Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus another 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 bats all in all. So 12 ends with 2, and 2 is a even number. So it's an even number, so it belongs to Mrs. Even. All right? 10 of the Vikings' friends came for a sleepover. How many Vikings are there now? Where would they all stay? So we get 5 plus 5 plus 5 and 4. So how many Vikings are there and who are they going to stay? Let's find out. So there are 19 Vikings all in all now, and 19 ends with 9. 9 is an odd number. So they all going to stay with Mr. Odd. So for your activity, I want you all to sort the balls in the correct boxes. There are two boxes here, the odd box and the even box. Choose all the numbers on the picture and sort them out according to the correct box. I will be giving you 10 minutes to answer this activity. Pause the video and write your answers. Time start now. All right, time is up. Let's reveal the answers. So we got 7. 7 is odd. 50 is even. 13 is odd. 356 is even. 57 is odd. 18 is even. 42 is even. 69 is odd. 45 is odd. 121 is odd. 103 is odd. 76 is even. 202 is even. 33 is odd. 76 is even. 26 is even. 112 is even. 71 is odd. And 94 is even. There you go. I hope you have learned something today and you now can identify odd and even numbers. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.